Running a trade business is tough work, especially when you're juggling multiple jobs. If you're stressing over schedules with no time to follow up on quotes and invoices, you need Tradify, purpose-built business management software for the trades. Tradify does the heavy lifting for you, keeping all your job info in one place from start to finish. Easily capture customer inquiries, create and send quotes or estimates in seconds, book staff and subcontractors into a shared schedule, and track job progress from anywhere. With all the job details recorded, you can invoice as soon as the job is done. You can even offer online payment options and connect Tradify with your favorite accounting software to make bookwork a breeze. Unpaid invoices will automatically follow up with customers, making sure you get paid on time every time. Take control of your business with Tradify, the best tool for the job. Try Tradify for free today.